Ah.
Oo. Kung first timer
Mm.
ka, what I did is, pinapawarm up ko muna and then I have to sneak if they're good or not.
Hmm.
That's what I do.
Ina-assess mo, oo, tama yun.
Yes, kailangan kasi
Mm.
yun. Kasi it's a no-joke in open
Mm.
water swimming. It's a no-joke.
Mm.
Alam mo kung ano sa iyo, hindi mo kilala yung iba. You have
Mm.
to, you have to assess them,
Mm.
yung
Mm.
capacity nila. Kasi makikita, I don't know, maybe meron akong nakikita ko lang in years of doing this stuff. Nakikita ko na yun eh.
Mm.
Palalawin ko lang 50 meters, alam ko na kung ano yung klaseng swimmer yung tumatay.